All right, so this is the dryer vent. One issue with it is it's actually designed for a bathroom. They can be used for the dryer because it does have a damper inside there, but they're way too small and shallow, so they clog up really easy. The positioning of this roof hood is actually too close to the valley. So, and the vent for the water vane here is too close to the valley as well. They should be at least about 3 feet away from any valley or any peak of the top of the roof, so that it has clearance so that it doesn't have a chance to leak or anything. So we can move those and reposition it to a better position to make it work more efficiently and keep it away from the valley here. We can replace the shingles and get that all set so it's sealed watertight as well.